welcome to my channel, 0 to 60. Now today I'm talking about the new Benefit Hello Happy foundation. It's just released onto the market, I believe. It was £25.50. I got mine from the Cult Beauty. Free shipping with any order over £15, and it took 3 days to come, which isn't bad. To be fair, these days, most things are free shipping, aren't they, over a certain amount. Now, with this one, I've got to say it comes in 12 shades. I'm shade 4, you can see there. Now, apparently, they're all neutral undertones. There's 3 light shades, 5 medium, and 4 dark shades from memory. I think that's right. But because they're all neutral undertones, apparently you can share. Even if you're on the pink side or you're on the yellow side, you can share shade. So they should be suitable for all skins. Apparently, that remains to be seen. I will say the shade 4 was quite perfect. I tested a bit on my hand. I guessed it, to be honest, from the little chart they have up. And I was pretty spot on, which is amazing, because usually I guess terribly wrong. Now, the packaging's so cute. You couldn't resist that, could you, if you saw it on the shelf? It's really sweet. But Benefit, they're stars of packaging, aren't they? If anybody does packaging, it's Benefit. I will say, if you like skincare under a foundation, this is not the foundation for you. I found that out the hard way. This morning I put on all the normal, the vitamin C, the sunscreen, the ceramides, all of it. Put this over the top and peel. Oh my goodness. I should have just forgiven her. In the end, although it's only SPF 15 and we're in a heat wave, I washed off all my skincare, all the peeling, and I started again. And I put it over a new primer I've got, which my next video is about. You'll love it. It's a dupe for the Tatcha Silk, a minimal amount of the cost, and it really is just like the Tatcha Silk. It's hard to tell the difference. Now, with this, I can say, basically it says it's a sheer matte coverage, and it's a light to medium coverage. It is sheer matte, I'll give it that. Light to medium, I say medium's pushing it. It was more CC cream. If you've got any imperfections at all, I wouldn't bother with this unless you use a lot of concealer. To be honest with you, it's got soft blurring spears in it, apparently, to blur out imperfections. I can't say I noticed any soft blurring. But on the other hand, I don't like full-on Estee Lauder double wear kind of coverage anyhow. I think that foundation looks a lot better with a bit of your natural skin coming through. And to be fair, it looked okay by the time I finished. But I did use concealer, and I did powder over bits and all the rest of it. So, and I used contours, which you can't see anymore because it's the end of the day. It's not bad. If you like CC creams, you'll love it. £25.50, it's not the cheapest out there. It's not the most expensive either. It's kind of middle of the road. Is it worth it? It's an expensive CC cream. But I suppose it depends again what you're looking for. It reminds me of the Vitalumiere Aqua by Chanel. A very light, kind of watery foundation, and that one peels as well, so that's probably why it reminds me of it. Same type of bottle too. It's got like a little shaker in, you can hear. Usually you shake these bottles so you can't hear the shaker anymore and you know they're ready. But I will say, would I go out and buy it again? That's a toughie. No, I've got to be honest, it's not one I go and especially buy again. It's not one of my favourites. However, it's not the worst I've ever tried either. I will use up the bottle and my mind might change. Sometimes your mind does change about these products, doesn't it? You start using it and think, oh my God, and suddenly it grows on you. So you never know. But as it stands at the moment, I wouldn't rush out to get it. Apart from that, I can't really say a lot more. It's a cute little foundation. The SPF isn't very high in it. Quite shocked these days for just a 15. I was thinking it would be more 30, but you know, I suppose you get flashback, all those kinds of things. So perhaps they're taking that into consideration. I like Benefit. I've got to be honest, as a company, I like their makeup. Especially, you know, their primers are good, their eyebrow products are amazing. Um, but I don't know about this. I really don't. I wouldn't say it's the best product they've ever come out with. However, like I say, things change. It might grow on me. And like I say, the packaging's adorable. If you have a young teenager, this would be perfect. It would be ideal for them. You know, someone just starting out, the person you don't want, you know, the youngster in your life to be the orange ring, you wouldn't get this with it, which could be perfect for them. Anyway, that's my thoughts on the Hello Happy. If I'm recommending it to you, I'm recommending it to you if you like CC creams. However, with the price of CC creams, would I recommend buying this one? Probably not, if I'm honest with you. Um, but it's not bad. Not wonderful, but not bad. Anyway, I will be here again hopefully tomorrow with my dupe for the Tatcha Silk Primer, which I'm quite excited about because it is a brilliant dupe and you wouldn't know the difference. And hopefully, if you want to know more about makeup and skincare for all age groups, I cover literally 0 to gone 60, 70, 80. It doesn't matter. And skincare routines for all those ages. Please subscribe and thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks ever so much. Thank you.